Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my stew beef Jamaican style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Please note guys that all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Also, thank you guys. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm just grateful and thankful for all of your support. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Here I have my washed beef. I'm also going to use some parsley flakes, some all-purpose seasoning, some Maggi chicken season-up powder seasoning, and browning. I'm also going to add a bit of black pepper. So now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and start season my beef. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add some of the all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to go ahead and add some parsley flakes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the Maggi chicken season up flavoring. Some black pepper. And I'm just going to add a tablespoon of browning. Guys, please note I won't be using a lot of browning, but you can use more browning depending on how dark you want your meat to be. And I'm just going to go ahead and combine the powder seasoning with the beef. And I'm just going to leave this in the fridge for roughly 3 hours before cooking. And that's what it looks like after combining the season with the beef. So after 3 hours, it's time to start pressuring my beef. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the beef to my pressure cooker, and I'm just going to pressure this meat for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm just going to add water to cover the beef. Then I'm just going to remove it from this pot and add it to another pot where I'm just going to add the other seasoning. So I'm just showing you what it looks like while adding it to the pressure cooker. So I'm just going to move up the meat a little bit in the pressure cooker. Then I'm just going to add the water. So guys, as you can see, I'm just adding enough water. And I'm also going to add a little bit more water just to cover it completely. And as I said before, I'm going to pressure this for 20 to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to remove it from the fire, add it to a different pot. So guys, after 20 to 25 minutes, my beef is finally finished pressuring. It's soft and nice. So I just add it to a Dutchy pot to finish cooking. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead now and add the seasoning. My Irish potato, garlic, onion, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, carrot to my beef. And I'm just combining the seasoning with the beef. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some more parsley flakes. I'm also going to add some more Maggi chicken season up. Some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to combine that together. Guys, please note I'm not using any salt because the seasoning, the powdered seasoning already contain enough salt. I'm also going to add some tomato ketchup. And the tomato ketchup helps to make the gravy thick. So I'm just going to leave this to cook now for another 20 minutes until my vegetables are cooked and I have a thick gravy. So guys, this is what my beef look like while cooking. As you can see, the gravy coming along, my vegetables cooking. So I'm just going to allow it to cook and show you the final product. And guys, there you have it, the final product of my stew beef Jamaican style. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. See you in the next video.